Polvo. Oh, ayoko. Teka lang po. Sorry po guys.
Ano po ang tapos si Bin dyan? Parang dyan. Yan, naubos ko.
Ayoko eh. Parang ang anghang.
Oo nga.
So, ayun po. Last 3 na po. Guys, ito po, toyo. Toyo or soy sauce ba yan? Hindi ko po alam kung ano yung English. But
Soy
yeah.
sauce.
Soy sauce. So, let's... Oh my god. I have to get my water ready, guys. So, wait. Back na po. Ready na po mga tubig namin. So, try
Sa
na
kamay na lang.
Don't worry, naghugas po kami.
Wait lang.
Okay lang. Ayan po. So,
Ito. So, sana naman ito.
as Filipinos, we actually love this. But, the other Americans, like in a different country, they don't like it. Actually, it's kind of good, but a little salty. That's salty. Really salty. Next, food. So this is sugar. So that's this. Get some sugar. Enhance. Not too much.
Not bad.
Not bad. I don't taste anything, but yeah. So, on to sweet. On to the next food.
Isip po kami idea na mantomas, tsaka ketchup.
So, wait lang po, guys.
I think it's so bad.
Gawin po namin. Ito ba?
Yan!
Actually, guys, hindi po kami ready dahil dito. So, yeah.
Come here. Here's the taste first.
Konti lang po, of course. Tayo maglinis na ito.
Ay, maghugas. Yes. Why? Ang dami yung potato. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yes. Titipid po siya for the day. Mikos-mikos tayo, mikos-mikos. Ano?
Okay, so, ano pa yung next? Try na po natin. Ew.
Kutsara!
Try na po natin.
Okay. It's so hot. Spicy. Mikos-mikos natin. Mikos-mikos natin.
Yes. Eh, isa lang.
Oh my gosh, I think so spicy and
So, siya po muna magbibideo. At last na po yata yung weird food. So, samahin ko lang po si Ken. So guys, sorry po. So ayan na po guys, sorry po. But ayan na po guys. So bye-bye na po. See you in our next video.